Hello, friends. Today we will talk about Chinese nuclear energy and the projects that the country is conducting in this area. China is one of the few countries in the world that has decided to put on nuclear power. This solution will not only allow China to increase its productivity and competitiveness, but also reduce the carbon footprint of our planet. China already has several nuclear power plants that are successfully operating and provide a significant share of energy for the country. But that's not all. China has ambitious plans for the future. Currently, the country is working on two projects, Huangxi and Haiyang, which will become the largest in the world after their launch. The Huangxi project is a multi-unit reactor system that uses fast neutron technology. It will have a capacity of 1,000 MW and will be able to operate for 30 years without the need for fuel replacement. The system will also efficiently use nuclear waste and reduce its amount. The Haiyang project is a Hualong 1 commercial reactor which will have a capacity of 1150 MU and will be able to operate for 60 years. This project is a joint venture between China General Nuclear Power Group and China National Nuclear Corporation. However, along with promising projects, there are also concerns about nuclear energy. Nuclear accidents such as Chernobyl and Fukushima have shown the world how important it is to ensure safety in this area. China is closely monitoring the personnel training process, conducting strict inspections and testing of equipment to ensure that energy projects are operating at maximum safety. And here's a question for you, friends. How do you feel about China's nuclear energy projects? Do you think this is the right step into the future or a danger to our planet? Let me know in the comments. We want to hear your opinion and start communicating on this topic. In addition, it should be noted that nuclear power has its drawbacks, one of which is the disposal of radioactive waste. However, China is actively working on nuclear waste recycling technologies to reduce their impact on the environment. China is also working on the possibility of using nuclear energy in space missions and the development of artificial intelligence. Nuclear energy can provide the necessary energy boost for future space research, as well as for the development of more efficient computer systems. Despite the fact that China is considered one of the leaders in the field of nuclear energy, the country continues to cooperate with other countries in this field. China cooperates with Russia in the field of nuclear energy and is a member of the International Atomic Energy Agency, which coordinates international research and information exchange in the field of nuclear energy. China is actively developing its capabilities in the field of nuclear energy and has several projects that are at different stages of development. One of the largest projects is the construction of two 1,000 MW reactors in Fujian province, which were put into operation in 2014. These reactors were the first in the world to be built using advanced ultra-high temperature, SWEET technology. SWEET technology has many advantages, including higher efficiency and safety. China is also actively working on the development and implementation of new nuclear energy technologies. One of such projects is the Tokamak-Heal TOOM project, which is an experimental facility for the study of thermonuclear reaction. The installation can operate for long time intervals, and scientists hope that this will lead to the possibility of creating new energy sources in the future. In addition, China is actively working on the development of low-power nuclear reactors that can be used to provide energy to remote areas, as well as energy sources on spacecraft. China is also actively developing nuclear waste recycling technologies to reduce their impact on the environment. China's cooperation with Russia in the field of nuclear energy also plays an important role in the development of nuclear energy in China. China and Russia are already cooperating in projects to create new nuclear reactors and other nuclear reactors and other nuclear energy technology. One of the projects in which China and Russia are involved is the construction of the Tianwan nuclear power plant in China, which will have a capacity of 1,200. In addition, China and Russia are cooperating in a project to create a new nuclear reactor based on ultra-fast neutron deceleration technology. This technology makes it possible to use nuclear fuel efficiently and reduce the amount of nuclear waste. China is also strengthening its export activities in the field of nuclear energy and is already supplying its nuclear reactors to the international market. In particular, China supplies nuclear reactors to Pakistan and cooperates with other countries in this area. Some people fear that the development of nuclear power could lead to the risk of nuclear disasters and radiation accidents, but China is taking measures to ensure the safety of its nuclear installation. All nuclear installations are built in accordance with international safety standards and undergo strict inspection before commissioning. In addition, China actively cooperates with international organizations, such as the IAEA, on the safety of nuclear energy. China and Russia have been cooperating in the field of nuclear energy for several decades and have various projects that range from the supply of nuclear fuel to joint research and development of new nuclear energy technologies. One of the largest projects in which China and Russia cooperate is the construction of the largest nuclear power plant in the world, the Highway Nuclear Power Plant in China. For this project, Russia supplies nuclear fuel and equipment, as well as provides technical support during the construction and operation of the plant. In addition, China and Russia are working on the development of new nuclear energy technologies. For example, the two countries have started joint development of an ultra-fast nuclear reactor based on ultra-fast neutron deceleration technology. This technology makes it possible to use nuclear fuel efficiently and reduce the amount of nuclear waste. It is also planned to cooperate in the development of low-power reactors for use in remote regions. China and Russia are also actively cooperating in the international arena in the field of nuclear energy. For example, they work together in the IAEA and other international organizations to improve the safety of nuclear installations and ensure international cooperation in this area. Cooperation between China and Russia in the field of nuclear energy has a number of advantages for both countries. Firstly, this cooperation makes it possible to use nuclear energy as an environmentally friendly and efficient source of energy. Secondly, this cooperation allows both countries to improve their technological capabilities in the field of nuclear energy and receive economic benefits. So, China is actively developing its capabilities in the field of nuclear energy, working on the development of new technologies and cooperating with other countries, including Russia, to achieve these goals. How do you feel about this development, and what opportunities and risks do you see in the development of nuclear energy in China? In general, Chinese nuclear energy is one of the most important areas of the country's economic development, as well as a key element of the strategy to reduce carbon emissions into the atmosphere. Cooperation with Russia also plays an important role in the development of China's nuclear energy, and the Tianwan project will become one of the largest and most ambitious projects in the world, contributing to strengthening China's role in the global nuclear community. However, as in any field related to nuclear energy, there are certain risks and challenges. In particular, it is necessary to ensure the safety of nuclear power plants and properly dispose of radioactive waste. In addition, it is necessary to consider the issues of economic efficiency and social responsibility in the development and implementation of projects. We would like to hear your opinion on China's nuclear energy projects in cooperation with Russia. What do you think about such a strategy for the development of China's energy sector? How do you feel about the use of nuclear energy in general? Please leave your comments below and share your opinion. Thanks for watching.